I used to think I was too late. Too late to start something new, too late to figure out this whole online world, too late to catch up. Maybe you felt that too. Like somehow you missed your window. Hey, I'm Carl, and I didn't start this early. I didn't grow up with online business or digital skills. I had to figure this out later in life. And honestly, that voice in my head kept saying, you're behind. And when you believe that, you hesitate. You overthink. You scroll past opportunities because they feel too complicated or too far out of reach. But something shifted for me. I stopped trying to catch up and I started focusing on something much simpler. Just learning one small thing at a time. Instead of trying to build something big, I started watching, learning, and sharing, even when I didn't feel ready. And here's what surprised me. That's actually how it starts. Not with confidence, not with perfect knowledge, but with small, consistent steps. If you feel like you're behind right now, I want you to hear this. You're not late, you're just early in a different chapter. And if you're wondering where to even begin, that's exactly why I joined the Freedom Builders Club. It's a simple community where people, many starting later, are learning how to build income online step by step. No pressure, no hype, just a place to start. I'll leave a link below if you want to take a look. You're not behind, you're just getting started.